how airlines can cut contrail warming with better data tools. Contrails.org has launched the Impact Explorer, an open access data platform designed to help airlines, researchers, and aviation decision makers better understand the climate impact of aircraft contrails. The platform provides access to historical data on estimated contrail climate impacts and observed contrail conditions from commercial flights. Its goal is to make contrail science easier to use in real-world aviation planning, especially as the sector looks beyond carbon dioxide emissions to address its wider climate footprint. Contrails are often treated as a secondary concern in aviation sustainability, but research has estimated that they contribute around 1 to 2% of human-caused global warming. The issue is not spread evenly across all flights. A relatively small number of routes and atmospheric conditions can account for a large share of contrail-related warming. That makes contrail avoidance a practical near-term opportunity for airlines. Unlike fleet replacement, alternative propulsion, or large-scale sustainable aviation fuel adoption, contrail mitigation may involve smaller operational changes, such as adjusting flight altitude or routing to avoid areas where persistent warming contrails are likely to form. The challenge is turning that potential into decisions airlines can trust. Operators need better forecasting, stronger measurement, and clearer ways to balance climate benefits against fuel use, air traffic constraints, safety, schedules, and passenger impacts. Open data could support more practical contrail avoidance. The Impact Explorer is intended to give aviation stakeholders a clearer view of where contrails have formed, what their estimated climate effects were, and where mitigation may deliver the greatest benefit. For airlines, this kind of visibility could help move contrail management from research pilots into more structured operational planning. It may also support shared methods for assessing avoided climate impact, which will be important if contrail reduction becomes part of broader aviation climate reporting. Contrails.org is currently hosted within Breakthrough Energy and is positioning the platform as a bridge between scientific research and industry action. By making contrail impact estimates more accessible, the organization aims to give airlines, researchers, and policymakers a more consistent foundation for evaluating mitigation strategies. The Impact Explorer was developed with support from a Google.org fellowship that began in November 2025. As part of the program, Google employees worked with Contrails.org full-time on a pro bono basis for 6 months, supporting improvements to contrail modeling and the development of an interactive web application that uses AI to help users explore climate data and identify potential mitigation areas. For the aviation sector, the next test is operational. Contrail avoidance will not replace long-term decarbonization measures such as sustainable aviation fuel, aircraft efficiency, or emerging propulsion technologies. But it may give airlines a faster way to act on one visible and under-addressed source of warming, provided the data is credible, transparent, and usable in daily flight planning.